Ever wondered why men sound like chainsaws at night? Well, here's the deal, men are actually built to snore more. First up, men have narrower airways compared to women. Less room means more noise when breathing, especially after a long day or a couple of beers. And speaking of beer, did you know alcohol relaxes throat muscles? Guess who's more likely to indulge? But wait, there's more. Men also carry fat differently around the neck. That extra padding puts pressure on the airway, making it harder to breathe quietly. Oh, and hormones. Women have estrogen, which helps keep their airways open. Men. Well, no such luck. So next time you hear that midnight concert, remember, it's biology, not just bad luck. For more curious facts and midnight mysteries, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep the fun facts rolling.